So my lashes came packed nicely in this box. Let's unbox it. Let's see what all I got in this box from EVORBEAUTY. This is such a nice little cute box. So as we open the box, we find 2 cards and the magnetic eyeliner. The box of the magnetic eyeliner has the brand's name mentioned as well as the quantity of the eyeliner, that is 3.5 ml. The wand of the magnetic eyeliner looks like this. It's a nice thick brush so that it becomes easy for us to apply the magnetic lashes onto our eyelids. The box also contains 2 cards. One is a thank you card from the founder, which is very sweet, and the other is the instructions card. It tells you how to apply the lashes, and then it comes wrapped like this. I had already opened the box, so this is a mess, as you can see. So this is the first lash box. This is in the style date night. This is how the lashes look. This is the next box, and this is in the style what the fluff. This one is a little more fluffier version than date night, and this one will be more appropriate for parties and functions. This is how this looks like. I also got a cleansing oil or balm along with this in order to take the lashes off in a better way and in a easier way. This box costed me $15.99 and I got 2 lashes, and along with that I got a magnetic liner and a cleanser. So that's all for this video. Stay tuned for part 2 wherein I will show you once I apply this beautiful lashes on me.